Greg, we're here at Mazak's European headquarters in Worcester, and I want to talk to you, if I can, about the Smooth Energy Dashboard. Just to start with, can you tell us what it is fundamentally, please?
Yeah, the Smooth Energy Dashboard is available on all Mazak machines, and fundamentally it's a way of our customers measuring the energy consumption of their machine as it's running, and also looking at a per part level of energy consumption and CO2 footprint for that part.
Okay, it's interesting. We're seeing a lot about this in the news, not on machine tools, but pretty much every aspect of our life. Why does Mazak feel the need to do something like this now?
Well, there's several reasons for that. One, Mazak's a family-owned business, and we do believe that we've got a moral responsibility to look at improving our energy efficiency and improving our energy efficiency of our customers. But really, the fundamental thing is that all consumer products are now being assessed by those consumers for how much energy they actually use or how much better they are. So being able to provide a component level energy consumption to our customers that they can then pass on to their customers allows, say for an example, an automotive company to accurately represent the amount of carbon used in the production of one of their vehicles.
Yeah, I've heard stories about other countries in Europe actually winning business because they can do this already. So maybe it doesn't always come down to price. If you can prove, whatever your CO2 or energy consumption of the part is, it may win you an order, Greg.
Absolutely, and that's something that we're not seeing a huge amount of at the moment, but we're absolutely expecting to see in the near future that your traditional price, quality, delivery becomes price, quality, delivery, and also CO2 consumption. Whether or not you as a customer can produce components at a lower CO2 level than somebody else could win you business.
And not only this, we're seeing not only in the UK government, but most countries around the world, they've got some quite aggressive, haven't they? Quite aggressive targets to reach 2030 here, different times around the world. I think the only way of doing that is to force people into, good practices. Do you see, it may be a time where taxes or grants are available for this type of software.
Yeah, we're already seeing in some countries there's tax incentives to replace older technology that's maybe less efficient with newer technology that's more efficient, and that's for the consumer, for things like automotives, but also for industry in replacing previously badly efficient or poor efficient pieces of equipment.
So Mazak deal with many companies. It's made up of thousands of SMEs. To an SME, maybe this is off the radar at this moment in time. What would your message be to all these SMEs and OEMs why should they adopt this technology?
Oh, it's very simple to add on to the machine. It's a really simple thing to be able to target, measure, and improve your efficiency on. And with the targets being set by the government just this week, this is a way that you can actually measure and find ways of reducing your CO2 consumption within your organisation.
Greg, it's very good measuring all of this, but what are Mazak doing into their machines to make it even more efficient to start with?
Well, actually, the building the energy savings into the machines is now a fundamental part of our design process. So we're ISO 14001 accredited, so it's always been part of our process since we've had that accreditation. But there's things we're doing even more so now, so we're looking at every factor of the machine, things like introducing inverters into our pumps. Any way that we can actually reduce the energy consumption of the machine, even things like reducing the overall footprint of the machine while not changing the volume of area that we can machine, helps the environment. And we've got a target by 2030 to increase the environmental factor of our machines by 4 times.